In front of me is KIANO Elegance 6.1 Pro, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on the following device. So first of all, just open the messages, click on Start Chat, and as you can see, let me just click on some message. As you can see, we are currently set up with English, so this is the keyboard language that we have set, and if you would like to change it, just click on the settings icon right here. Then select languages, which is the first possibility here, and select Add Keyboard. Here you've got plenty of languages added, so as you can see, KIANO prepared loads of possibilities for all of us. No matter where you're from, you will find it here. And then just select the language that you would like to apply, so let me choose Hebrew, click on Done, and now I will just remove English, so we have one language only. If you will go back, you will be able to notice that the keyboard language has been changed. And this is it. Whenever you would like to go back to English or maybe change language one more time, just perform the same operation. So mark the settings, go to the languages, click on Add Keyboard, let me choose English, tap on Done, and then remove unnecessary language. And that's it. As you can see, it has been already changed and you can smoothly use it in English right now. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.